Okay, so this is our induction stovetop here in the kitchen, and the reason why we use an induction stovetop is because it has a bunch of additional added safety features for when somebody is learning how to cook or knows how to cook, and as a caregiver you want to make sure the person is being as safe as they can while cooking. We have also paired this induction stovetop with some enabling technology like this motion sensor to indicate when somebody is actually doing something at the stove, so that remote support caregiver can know there's activity at the stove, as well as a stove guard that will remind somebody or give prompts towards how they should be safe, like reminders to turn off the stove or to make sure the stovetop is clear so nothing will burn. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on, and you will be able to hear these prompts.
Mary, please remember to clear the stove before cooking.
One safety feature is that when somebody powers it on, you have to have a special pan in order for it to stay on. If you don't use a special pan, then it will automatically shut off if there's no pan that it recognizes on the stovetop. The special pan has to have a magnetic bottom, and once you put it on the stovetop, you hit the burner and then you'll hear it start to fire up. And the great thing about the induction stovetop is that it also can heat things at a very rapid pace. As you can see, the water is starting to get really hot, and it only took seconds for it to start boiling. It only heats the pan that is special for the induction stovetop. So if you were to put other things on the stovetop, like a napkin, it will still heat the contents inside the pan, but it will not catch the napkin on fire. Even though the pan is hot and the contents in the pan is hot, nobody should ever fear having to burn themselves because of putting their hands on the stove, because of the fact that it only heats the pan and the contents of the pan. And even though there might be warm, it's not going to be burning.
Mary, please remember to turn off the stove.